You coated on the top. There it is. They open you up and aspirate.
See, I'm sure you did a great job. That's why you're gonna have some real trouble. Convincing me to do it.
Go back in there.
I don't think the camera was on his face when he did it.
Oh, really?
Yes. It's so dark in here. Did he make it like a...
Yeah, he farted.
Did he?
Yeah. He did.
I wish I could get better light. It's really dark. Really dark. It's dark.